When we get to the point where China is N months ahead, are we willing to bomb their data centers? I'm the bad guy, China or whatever, and I'm 6 months, 12 months behind. As you get closer to superintelligence, I get more and more worried unless I'm going to be there the same as you. These are network effect businesses. And so network effect businesses have the property that the leader tends to get 90% share. That would be terrible for me.
Right.
What would I do?
Try to undermine me.
Okay, let me tell you how I would start, just to give you a heads up. The first thing I would do is to try to steal your intellectual property and the people.
Check.
Okay? And you're such a good lady that you've managed to prevent me from doing that. The next thing I'm going to do is use my AI, which is almost as good as yours, to go into your AI, these are called adversarial attacks, and modify your system.
Check.
And you go, no way, because we have such great cryptologists, we're so far ahead of you, that 6 months we anticipated this. What's my next move? I bomb your data center. But think about it. We're having this whole debate in our nation about what to do about Iran's nuclear program, and I'm not an expert in that, but these are the kind of conversations that happen here in DC. So when we get to the point where China is N months ahead, are we willing to bomb their data centers? My favorite example here is I've been working on this. I was talking to somebody who said, the answer is obvious. I said, what? The good lady and the bad guy. We agree to a treaty where each of us puts dynamite on each other's electricity supply. You get to blow up my electricity if you get mad, and I get to blow up your electricity if you get the idea. Now,
some would say we've already done, that's already happened.
Well, kinetic attack on people's data centers is probably an act of war.
Yeah.
So this is the kind of thinking that people are, and obviously that proposal is rejected. I'm using it as an example, it's not going to happen. But this is an example of where the proliferation issues, and technically this is called the eye of the needle problem. You have to get through this eye of the needle without killing yourself and killing everybody else to get to this promised land of AI.